Everyone's talking about moving to Bowling Green, Kentucky right now, but there's a few things no one tells you before you make that move. And depending on your situation, they can either make it the perfect place for you or a place you're going to regret choosing. Stay tuned to the end because I'll have the best information saved up for you. Hey guys, if this is your first time on the channel, my name's Melissa. My team and I, we get calls and emails and texts every single day from people just like you looking to make their move to Kentucky, and we absolutely love it. So give us a call, shoot us a text, or even better yet, schedule a time to meet on Zoom. We would love to help you make it a smooth move to Kentucky. Now, Bowling Green is actually the fastest growing city in the state of Kentucky, but growth comes with some trade-offs. So I want to break down for you real experience of what it's like living here so you can decide if it's actually the right fit for you. And all of this comes from my perspective as somebody who was not born and raised here in Kentucky. I actually grew up in Wisconsin, splitting my time between Wisconsin and Tennessee. And in 2008, my husband and I decided to relocate to Kentucky, and we absolutely love it and can't imagine living anywhere else. So let's start with why people are moving here, because this reason is why it's growing so fast. Number one, the lower cost of living versus some of the major metros. If you compare Kentucky to somewhere like the Midwest, the Northeast, or even the West Coast, you're going to find dramatic changes and shifts in how people are buying houses and how they're affording everyday living expenses. Also, the proximity to Nashville. You're only about an hour drive into Nashville and Nashville International for travel. Also dining, shopping, nightlife, things to do, places to go, things to see. All that Nashville has to offer is close proximity just off I-65. There's also a ton of new construction that's available. Whether it's in Bowling Green, Warren County, or one of the surrounding counties, you're going to find that this area of South Central Kentucky is growing exponentially, and there's new construction happening all the time. There's also a super family-friendly feel around Bowling Green, Warren County, and all of South Central Kentucky. Whether it's minor league baseball team events, things to do, festivals, going up to Cave City, exploring Mammoth Cave, you're going to find there are so much here to do and see within our region. And then you're only a little drive to be able to get to places like Cincinnati, Nashville, Louisville for more adventurous things to do. So for our relocation clients, they tend to find that Bowling Green checks all the boxes, especially compared to where they might be moving from. Now, here's what people don't realize. Here's where the trade-off comes in. When you have rapid growth, you also have more development. I actually had a call with some of the executive level people around Bowling Green, and they explained to me that they know that with the amount of traffic and growth that's coming, they know that they don't have enough farmland to support all of that eventually in Warren County. So you're going to find that what feels right now as a smaller community is going to continue growth. And also some areas may feel a little unfinished because of that. Infrastructure is still catching up. Majority of our traffic in Bowling Green and the surrounding area kind of funnels into that Scottsville Road, Campbell Lane, Lovers Lane area. And as the area grows, there's going to need to be some infrastructure growth with it to support the additional influx of people to the community. So depending on where you land, you may feel like you're in a brand new growing area or a more established part of town. And that brings me to my next point. Where you live really matters. And this is the biggest thing that I see buyers get wrong. Not all of Bowling Green feels exactly the same. Let's break it into some simple buckets. You have South Warren area. This is where it's a little bit newer. There's more planned communities. You have Nashville Road, which is growing and expanding. And then you have all these new subdivisions that are coming in alongside of it and new subdivision growth. And then you have the Greenwood and Alvaton areas, which offer a lot of convenience with close proximity to I-65 and 165 access, but it's also going to feel a little bit more established. And also some of these areas can feel like they're a little bit more estate-sized lots. And then you can look at the northern Warren County and western Warren County areas, and that's going to feel like more land, a little bit more space, and a little bit quieter, laid-back lifestyle. Two buyers can actually spend the same amount, $500,000 for example, and have a completely different lifestyle depending on where they buy. In Alvaton or South Warren, that might get you into more of your upgraded next level homes, where if you go to the western part of Warren County or northern, like say Smiths Grove, you might be able to get a newer home on 5 acres. And that brings us to our next point, price versus resale. Another thing people don't really expect is how different value can look depending on building versus resale. Where new construction offers efficiency and customizations, resale can be quicker and also sometimes cheaper up front because you're not going to be paying that same premium that you would on new construction. So we've had buyers thinking that resale was a little bit cheaper, but when they broke down the energy costs, the maintenance, and insurance, sometimes new construction can actually make more sense for you on your monthly payment. And that's where my team and I can sit down with you and help you go over some of the options. And that brings us to our last point. Bowling Green might not be for everyone. If you want big city amenities like Major League Baseball games, well, you're gonna find those options are limited here, though we do have a minor league team. But if you want land, space, or community, Bowling Green or one of the surrounding areas could be absolutely perfect for that. It really comes down to what are you looking for, what your drive times that you're looking for, and what kind of housing you're looking for. And that's where my team and I are happy to help. So the biggest takeaway is Bowling Green can be an amazing place to live, but only if you choose the right area and the right type of home for your lifestyle. If you're thinking about moving to Bowling Green and you'd like some help figuring out which areas might work best for you, reach out to my team and I. We will walk you through the different areas, what's available, and help you make the right decision for your move. And if you want to know everything there is to know about living in Kentucky, make sure to subscribe. We have new videos coming out every single week.